above the clouds, sitting in this airplane, on my journey back to where it all began. Looking down upon the clouds, it feels like I'm already close to heaven. Thinking about you makes it feel as though I've left you forever. For just a moment, heaven and earth seem only a heartbeat apart. I'm heading home, to the place where I was born to be reborn again, so I can return to you like I'm brand new. I'm coming home, above the clouds my spirits fly. Every mile is washing yesterday away. I'm coming home, where love first learned to call my name. What a beautiful feeling, like I've been to heaven and have been born again. Through my little window, the clouds slowly drift away. Then I see the winding, mighty Sepik river, where I swam as a little boy. The river where I paddled my canoe, laughing with my childhood friends. Those memories still flow, like the waters that carried our dreams. The mountains stand like old friends, waiting to welcome me home again. Then a voice breaks through the silence.
Ladies and gentlemen,
cabin crew,
prepare for landing.
My heart begins to race, because I know home is just below. I'm coming home. Every heartbeat grows much stronger. Every mountain calls my name. I'm coming home. The ocean sparkles in the morning light. Every memory becomes alive as my homeland comes into sight. Then suddenly, there she is, sweet Wewak town, nestled between the mountains and the endless sea. Every road, every coconut tree, every river, every smile, they've all been waiting for me. Today I don't feel like a visitor, I feel like I've been born again. I'm finally home. Flying through the clouds has carried me more than just across the sky. It carried me back to who I really am. Sweet Wewak town, you'll always live inside my soul. What a feeling, like I've been to heaven, only to discover that a little piece of heaven has always been here, waiting for me to come home. Me look down long old cloud, na mi pili molsen me close to pin mis long heaven. Tasol time me looking water, all mountain na sol water belong Wewak me sabe. This spell I am blessed belong me. Me come back all sen nu pelaman. Sweet Wewak town, you by stop all time.
Cabin crew, prepare to start.
Inside